Hello everybody, welcome to Beautiful Mess with Jess. Today we are going to make a beautiful candy lei out of Werther's hard candies. So you will need a 30-ounce bag of Werther's. I got this ribbon. This is the ribbon you will be tying the candies onto. And I got this from Michael's. I believe it was like $2. And you can use any size, any ribbon, as long as it's thick enough or strong enough to hold all the candies. And then I also got this gold ribbon. This is the curling ribbon that I'll be using. We got this from Walmart, and this was around $2.30. You'll need some scissors, and that's all you need. So I already have the curling ribbon pre-cut, and these I have about, let's see, I cut them at about 6 inches long. That way you can tie the candy and still have space to curl it. So yeah, let's get started. Let me show you how we're going to tie the candies first, and then we'll tie it onto the main ribbon to create our candy lei. So first we're going to grab our ribbon, then we're going to grab our candy right here and move all the stuff out the way. So we're going to grab our candy, grab our ribbon, put our ribbon under one of the sides of the hard candy, as you can see here, and then you're going to tie a knot. Okay. Once you tie the knot, you're going to head over to your main string. I should have did this first before I did the candy tying, but you're going to grab your main string where you're going to tie your candies onto. And at about 6 or 7 inches, I tie a knot. And that is where you're going to start tying your candy. This knot will help keep the candy secure. And then the ribbon that you have here is used to tie it around the neck. So here we go. So we have our knot, and then we have our candy. We already knotted our candy. So what I realized, what makes it faster for me is because it does take a while due to the amount of candy you're adding. What I realized is cutting the ribbon, cutting them all at like 6 inches, and tying your candies first with the gold ribbon or whatever color you're using speeds up the process, so that once you start tying it onto the main ribbon, you already have a bunch ready. See, so I have a bunch ready here, and we're just going to start tying them on. So we grab our main ribbon, and we're going to tie a knot. And then we're going to tie another knot. So you're going to double knot it onto the main ribbon. And then you're going to push it up. Grab your scissors. And then you're going to curl your ribbon. Perfect. Then you're just going to keep going. So what I do is I do one to the right, and then I'll, crisscross sides. But it doesn't matter. Honestly, you just start tying them on to the main ribbon and push them up. And usually it does like a natural spiral. So push it up, curl the ribbon. You can curl the ribbon one by one, or if you like, you can go back in the end and just curl the ribbon, but I prefer curling them one by one. I think it's easier that way, and it makes it look cleaner. So here we go, we grab another one, and you just keep doing it, the same thing. Tie a ribbon, push it up, grab your scissors. If you are under 18, I suggest you ask a parent to help you with this step. And you're just gonna curl your ribbon, keep going up, and yeah, it's pretty simple. You can do this with different hard candies. I find doing it with hard candies is easier because you have the wrapper in the end, the twisty wrapper in the end, this right here, to tie the ribbon to. But yeah, any hard candy would work. Any ribbon, any curling ribbon, any color, and any main, ribbon. This may look small, but it's very strong. It's very sturdy. Usually I use the 3/8 or the 5/8 ribbon, but I only had this one on hand, so I'm using the 1/8, and it's very strong. So yeah. So yeah, just keep going on and curling your ribbon. Tying your ribbon. I've used Jolly Rancher, the strawberry candies, the grandma candies. Use those. You can also, if you like, it's just a suggestion, you can also add the ribbon and just not straighten it, and it'll give like a straight look. They'll still stand out, still be beautiful, but it just won't be curled. So it's totally up to you. I've done that with the Jolly Rancher candy, where I just tie the ribbon, but I don't curl it. So. Usually the 30-ounce bag is enough for one. And just FYI, they do become heavy because they are hard candy. They are heavy after you have a bunch of them, but they look very nice. Very different. Yeah, just keep repeating the process, When I first started doing them, boy, it took me a while. I think my first one took like 2 to 3 hours, but this was with the Jolly Rancher. The more you practice, the more, you will perfect your craft. But yeah, just keep going back and forth. And if you have little ones, they can also help you. Like my 2 younger daughters come and help me tie the hard candy with ribbon. That's a huge help. So that you just grab your ribbon and start tying them on one by one. And yeah. So here's one of my little ones. Like I said, you can use, if you have little kids around, use them to tie the ribbon around the candy. So she's going to tie 1 knot around the candy here. There you go, perfect. And then she'll just keep going. And then we have our other little one here. When one of them gets tired, she comes in and she starts tying knots around them. And then it just keeps our candy lei making going, especially during this busy lei making season. All right, everyone, so here's the final look of our beautiful candy lei made out of Werther's hard candy. Yeah. If you have any questions, comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. We will be making more candy lays, and look out for a new video soon. Thank you.